Claire, where's your raspberry?
Take a picture, take a picture.
I'm videoing.
You were so happy.
Claire!
Where's your raspberry?
Claire! Somebody's frustrated. Oh no. So much like...
My lips are numb.
Look at that.
I can't feel my lips.
You're happy.
I can't feel my lips, Christine.
Oh, you should be happy. No, don't touch him. Don't touch him. He doesn't like it. But I want to touch you.
You're drooling, haha.
Hey, no fighting. No fighting.
Did you want to hold Riley's
Riley
hand?
looks so serious. I feel like he's like mad at her. I feel like he's really mad.